Editor. Okay. Okay, so to cover a book with the roll, what you're going to do, you're going to roll out the plastic. You should have the flap on the top. You can see that flap there. So roll out what you think you need, and then you'll grab the book, take the cover off. You're going to lay out the book cover, and you want to leave a couple extra inches on either side. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so see, I have extra on this side and extra on this side, and I'm just going to take my scissors and trim it. And that. So now I have the book cover and I have the plastic. I'm going to kind of pull it so that it stays flat. I'm going to tuck the book cover under this top section. Now, if you want to, you can get a piece of tape and attach it to your book cover before you fold it. So try to center the book cover in the center. You'll fold up this flap and you want to pull, give it some tension. So you'll pull and then you can tape it. Make sure you tape on the spine so that it's centered. And then you're going to grab your bone folder and you're going to crease the bottom. So you want to kind of pull as you're creasing so that you get a nice sharp edge. Because the closer the plastic is to the paper, the better it's going to protect the book. We're going to do that on both sides. I did it a little too hard. You don't want those bumps, but that's okay. Okay, so once you've got the book jacket in the plastic, you're going to take the book, put the spine there, put the jacket back on. You should have some overlay. You can always trim it later. And then I like to do this part with the book standing up, but you'll get your filament tape. About a piece that long. You want to kind of pull the book cover a little bit and give it some tension. And then I like doing it diagonal and again, giving it tension as you're taping it. And you're going to do that on all four corners. Kind of bang it to get the cover down. Flip it over, do the same thing on the bottom. And then bang it one more time to make sure the cover's even. And there you go. Ooh. Thank you, Mary.